Hello all, namaste and welcome back again in Sansa vlog. It's all about sushi series. Today I'm gonna make Uramaki California sushi roll. Firstly, I'll take a rice, and this is the Noori. We have to put always rice on this side. Now I'm putting the rice on Noori seed. We have to put rice very carefully. It should not too much messy. It should be fluffy and soft when eating time. And it is the bamboo seed. I'll put the Noori seed with rice in the bamboo seed. You have to leave always in one finger, so it will be easy when the closing time. Now I'll open the avocado for sushi. It looks like it's very good and I'm really satisfied with this avocado. And I'm gonna cut this avocado in 3 pieces. Firstly, I'll take the skins. After that, I'll use avocado, evi and cucumber for the Uramaki California. And in the same way, I'll put the sesame seeds because it will be a very crunchy, extra flavor and extra aroma. It's cooked evi. You can see I have the cooked evi. Now I'm putting the avocado in the middle, and now it's time to put the cooked evi. This is the cooked evi. Now it's just remaining, I have to put the cucumber. Okay, this is the cucumber. I already made the video how to cut cucumber for the sushi. If you didn't see, I'm putting the link on the descriptions. And all the things you have to put in the middle and always leave the one finger, so it will be easy when the closing time of the sushi roll. You can see here, normally in California sushi roll, all the people use kanikama. It's like a crab sticks, avocado and cucumber, but here I am using evi for the substitute of the kanikama. Finally, our Uramaki California sushi roll is ready. As you can see, now I'll cut in the 6 pieces, and it's look like very delicious and very beautiful. All the ingredients are exactly in the middle. Okay, thank you so much. I'm really thank you so much for the watching this video. Keep smile and keep support us. If you really like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you feel it's very good video, then don't forget to share and like as well. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.